It is 100% true. And I am not beep. I don't even know what to say. I don't. Non-stop. What's up, everybody? Raul back with another video. And again, another problem. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? Raul back with another video. I have some disturbing news to share with you guys on the project lawn up front. It's not good. You probably won't believe me unless I show you. But stay tuned. Let's go take a look. Just when you thought we were done here, not only are they replacing my sidewalks and my driveway, but they're also going to be taking this tree out. Yep. So check this out. This X means it's coming out because of the roots being so evasive and cracking the cement and everything. So now I got to remove all the bricks and take off all my stuff. I used to decorate this tree with Christmas lights, and I gotta take my buddy Woody off. That's been in the family for a long time. So say bye to Woody. And my projector. So yeah. Well, grass is doing really well. It just sucks that now this tree's coming out. Just doesn't stop. It just does not stop. I mean, that's all coming out. The sidewalk coming out. I mean, I was freaking out about all this, and now I got more to freak out about. This tree coming out. That's so unfortunate, right? This grass, oh, it really needs to be cut. I mean, the camera doesn't do it justice. Ooh, look, you guys can see my microphone. The camera doesn't really do it justice. It looks maybe, what was I gonna say? Sorry, the kids were distracting me. The camera really doesn't do it justice because it looks really low, but it's actually really high. Look at this. I mean, this is the probably lowest part of all this section, and it's right there. I mean, for Bermuda, that's about 3 inches too high. Very unfortunate, everybody. We'll see what happens with the rest of this. Hopefully no more bad news sneaks up on me. Peace. Alright, everybody, so what do you guys think? It's crazy to know that something like this is happening back to back, and I'm glad I could share it with you guys, because if I were to just write a post about it or something, no one would believe it. Like, how is this happening? First this, first that, first this, first that, now this, now that. I don't know, you guys. But you know what? I want to hear back from you guys. For those of you following me along, what do you guys think of the parking strip trees? Do you guys prefer them in front of the house? Do you guys not like them? Do you guys prefer like a long strip of lawn and maybe a tree on the actual lawn itself, located off to the side, maybe on the main lawn. I mean, let me know what you guys think. What do you think? Should I request for another tree to be planted there? Yeah, I at this point I don't know what to do. They're taking it out. They're taking out my sidewalk. They're taking out my driveway. I mean, I'm starting to sound like a complainer, but it's not that I'm complaining. It's just that my seating project. Wow, I'm really curious to see what this is gonna be like. I love projects, so hey, I'm up for the challenge, and I'm glad I can have you guys follow along to see what this Bermuda is gonna do, newly seeded and hitting with a lot of construction. Especially that they're probably gonna drive that thing on the lawn to get the big old piece of sidewalk out, the cement piece. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about the trees out there. I'll put a picture up below. I'll put a picture up of how the tree was in the front of the house, and what you guys think about it. Do you think it'd be better with it, without it? Do you think it'd be better to put another one there? What do you guys recommend? Maybe put a tree off to the side on the main lawn. Maybe don't have a tree at all. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. I'd really appreciate it. And like always, remember to keep mowing and growing, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.